It's serving. It's serving the dolls with what we need. It's very classy, very modest, very demure. You see how I did that? Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Amore Antasia, and today I'll be reviewing the new Fenty Gloss Bomb Stix. Listen, when I say that these are so much better than the Fenty Gloss Bomb lip glosses, if you like the lip glosses, I promise you will love these Stix. And I know you're like, why would I go and repurchase the same item? No, it's not the same. Let's get into why. So first, I want to show you guys what the swatches look like on my hand. And when I say that, all of them are actually complementary to brown skin, if you're brown skin specifically. And so I feel like they will be perfect for fall, but I just personally did not want to pick up the dark one because I just didn't want to put it on. I'd rather have like a matte if it's going to be like a dark red or any type of red. So that's the only reason why I didn't choose that one. I love the little cute setup in the store. I think that Fenty did a great job rolling these out. So the colors look really nice. They look really glossy, but they still give like not too much. They're not sticky. The pigment is 100% there with the Fenty Gloss Bomb Stix versus the lip glosses. And I feel like I was really duped when I got the gloss in, I think it was chocolate. Honey, talk about disappointed, because I'm already brown skin and I have dark lips at the top. Well, one lip is dark. It was a waste of money. But the actual chocolate Gloss Bomb stick is pigmented. That will show up really nicely on a brown skin or a dark girl. So that's the main difference between the Gloss Bomb Stix and the gloss. The pigment is much better. All right, so right now I'm wearing nothing. I'm just wearing a NYX lip liner in Chestnut. This is like one of my favorites. I'm gonna start with the Tulip Kiss. It's like a pinkish nude. This one is it. It looks like a straight up nude. It's perfect. And you see how it's glossy, but it's not too glossy. Girl, I'm serving looks. Look at me, girl. This is like the color of my bottom lip, and I've always tried to match my top lip to that one. Okay, it's giving. We love it. This is Tulip Kiss, a must-have. Now I have Is It Fussy here. I actually have the Fussy in the lip gloss, and I will say that the glosses do look similar in tone to the actual lip glosses. So this is what it looks like with the cute little Fenty Beauty imprint. How cute. Okay. Oh, it smells good too. It gives like a little berry tint. And it smells like berry. I like it. This is definitely an everyday. I don't even have that liner on anymore, y'all. Like, it's gone. It's gone! I think it's fabulous. I like it. I really do. It's one of my faves now. I'm definitely gonna keep it. Now the only thing is I'm kind of concerned. Like, do I even need this one? I don't know. This one is a little bit deeper in the pink tone, as you can tell. So we're gonna see. All right, so this is Hibiscus. You can tell, magenta. Don't mistake it for being red on camera. It's not that red. It's not red. It's really pink, like a nice red, a nice magenta pink. A little goes a long way. I definitely don't need a lip liner for this one either. But I would clean up my bottom lip with my foundation foundation brush. But okay. It's really pink. Like, it's really similar to Is It Fussy though? So, I mean, I like it. It's cute. Blazed Donut. I really wanted to get that one because that one was like a true nude. Okay, so currently it's weeks later and I'm aware that I look like I stole the bike from Holiday Heart, but bear with me. So when I filmed this video, this color, Blazed Donut, was sold out. So I waited weeks to be able to add this to the video because I felt like I needed to have more color variation to show you guys. So I have a lip liner on and I'm gonna show you guys what Blazed Donut looks like. Oh, girl, Yeah, this will have you looking like a crackhead for sure without a lip liner. And girl, you don't need to look like no cokehead, girl. But it's cute. I like it. I actually love it. It looks better on a higher quality camera, so I would definitely recommend it. True nude, because sometimes I like the contrast of like the 90s dark lip pencil and the really nude lip gloss, and that's like the perfect lip gloss with pigment. You don't have to do like the whole lip combo with an actual lipstick and then a lip gloss. You can just save your money and just buy this one product, and you may or may not need a lip liner. It's just chef's kiss. Now let me be honest with you, and let me wrap this up. Now I believe that these lip gloss sticks are innovative. They are, because we all know that NYX has come out with these sticks that are like butter, like more like a satin. But these are actual glosses, gloss sticks, and they're not messy. Little goes a long way, especially with pigment. And so I do feel like these are definitely worth the money. I love the fact that Fenty chose not to use toxic, carcinogenic substances or ingredients. There's no parabens, and that's exactly why I'm trying them. Also, the glosses don't have those ingredients either, and so that's why I use those. But I just felt like the glosses didn't have enough pigment, so this is like the perfect medium. The perfect. These will be a staple in my collection. I kid you not. Now, I do want to go back and get the color for the fall. Some of them were sold out. The colors for the fall are cute. But I'm telling you, I'm a pink girl. Like, you know, this is pink. This is very summer, very demure. I don't know which one I like the best. Honestly, I feel like I'm a fan of Is It Fussy? Like, I feel like Fussy is just the best color. Like for everyday, pop it on, but at the same time, I really like to lip kiss. You know what I mean? I mean, universally, the Is It Fussy is fine and fabulous for all the girls, but for the brown skin girls, like the everyday nude, but with a little pink taint to it, you know, with a little umph in it, I really feel like that Tulip Kiss is the best one. I do. Fenty Glow is cute. Fenty Glow looks like Is It Fussy? It's just a little bit more warm, but I would just tell you guys to go ahead and get it. It's a 100% recommendation for me. I'm not being paid. This is not sponsored. I just wanted to review these because of the pigment and the fact that these are clean products basically. And I got tired of doing these 1, 2, 3 step like Sierra lip steps, like working 9 to 5. Like I don't have time to touch up my lips with a whole lip liner and a lipstick and then a lip gloss and then hope that it all stays together the entire time. Not anymore. Not since Fenty. So shout out to Miss Rihanna for giving the girls this. And this is just my recommendation. Comment below which are your favorite shades and any other suggestions. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.